Hey there, folks. Imagine this scenario. What if you woke up tomorrow and all the wealth you've worked so hard to amass just vanished? I bet that thought doesn't sit well with you, and frankly, it shouldn't. But here's the kicker. This can happen, and it has happened to some of the wealthiest individuals out there. Take Anil Ambani, for instance. Once soaring among the world's richest, he saw his $42 billion fortune plummet to zilch. Yes, you heard me right. From billions to pennies. Anil, Asia's youngest billionaire, even declared himself broke to Chinese banks in 2020 and informed a UK court that his net worth had hit rock bottom. Now, we're not here to dwell on tales of fortune lost. We're here to ensure your wealth stays intact. So, let's dive right into it. Here are 15 potent strategies to safeguard your riches and ensure you don't end up in the same boat as Mr. Anil Ambani. Let's get started. Number 1, it's a no-brainer. Manage your money wisely. Managing your money wisely is an undeniable necessity. Without effective financial management, preserving your wealth becomes an arduous challenge. It's often said that making money is merely half of the equation, with the other half dedicated to retaining it. While proper budgeting might initially appear constraining, it acts as your golden ticket to maintaining a solid financial footing and ensuring your wealth experiences steady growth over time. This strategy allows you to proactively protect your financial well-being, ensuring that you're well prepared for any unforeseen financial hurdles that may come your way. Number 2, boost your income. Now you might be wondering, how does earning more relate to preserving wealth? Boosting your income is a critical element in the journey of wealth preservation. Well, consider this. A higher income means you won't have to dip into your savings or rely on debt to sustain your desired lifestyle. Furthermore, having extra funds at your disposal allows you to set aside money for future investments, creating a safety net against unexpected financial challenges. It also enables you to explore opportunities for growth, like investments that can yield substantial returns in the long run. In essence, elevating your income not only enhances your financial stability, but also empowers you to build a robust financial future. Number 3, invest wisely. Number 3 is all about making wise investments to secure and grow your wealth. It's not enough to simply earn money, you must put it to work for you. Smart investments can take your financial situation from point B to point C and beyond. If you're unsure where to start, there are resources available to guide you in making informed choices. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or other opportunities, diversifying your investments can help mitigate risks and ensure your wealth continues to thrive. So remember, investing wisely is a crucial step towards preserving and expanding your financial assets. Point 4, diversify your investments. Diversification is the name of the game when it comes to safeguarding your wealth. Patricia Kluger's story serves as a stark reminder of the perils of putting all your financial eggs in one basket. To ensure your financial stability and minimize risk, it's crucial to spread your investments across a range of opportunities. The stock market can offer growth potential, while real estate provides stability and tangible assets. By diversifying, you avoid the pitfalls of over-reliance on a single investment avenue, reducing the impact of a downturn in any one sector. Point 5, hire a top-notch CPA, certified public accountant. Navigating the complexities of taxation is a critical aspect of wealth preservation. A top-notch CPA can be your invaluable partner in this endeavor. These professionals possess the expertise to keep you updated on ever-evolving tax regulations and help you make informed financial decisions that legally reduce your tax burden. By working closely with a CPA, you ensure that your financial affairs are in order, minimizing the risk of unexpected tax issues that could erode your wealth. Remember, proactive tax planning is a cornerstone of wealth preservation, and a skilled CPA is your best ally in this endeavor. Point 6, get insured. As climate change and various uncertainties loom large, safeguarding your assets from unforeseen disasters is paramount in wealth preservation. Insurance serves as a crucial safety net, providing financial protection when catastrophes strike. It shields you from the potentially devastating financial consequences of events like natural disasters, accidents, or health crises. By having comprehensive insurance coverage for your assets and health, you can avoid the risk of financial ruin, ensuring that your wealth remains intact and continues to grow. In today's unpredictable world, insurance is an essential component of a robust wealth preservation strategy, offering peace of mind and financial security for you and your loved ones. Point 7. Seek legal advice. Once your wealth reaches a certain level, you become a prime target for various legal battles and disputes. Seeking legal advice from a qualified expert is an indispensable step in safeguarding your assets and interests. Legal professionals possess the knowledge and experience to navigate complex legal matters, protecting you from costly missteps that could result in the loss of a significant portion of your wealth. Whether it's estate planning, asset protection, or addressing legal challenges, having a legal expert on your side can make all the difference. In the world of high net worth individuals, legal counsel ensures that you are well prepared to handle any legal challenges that may arise, allowing you to preserve your wealth and focus on your financial goals with confidence. Point 8. Create an estate plan. Crafting a comprehensive estate plan is a crucial step in wealth preservation. This multifaceted strategy offers a range of benefits, including asset protection, tax efficiency, the continuation of your legacy, and support for your favorite causes. It helps ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes, preventing potential disputes among heirs and minimizing estate taxes. A well-thought-out estate plan can also provide for the financial security of your loved ones and keep your estate out of probate court, which can be time-consuming and costly. By working closely with legal and financial experts, you can develop a tailored estate plan that aligns with your objectives, ultimately securing your wealth for future generations and the causes you hold dear. Point 9. Pick executors and trustees wisely. Selecting the right individuals to oversee your estate and trust affairs is a critical aspect of wealth preservation. While family members may seem like the obvious choice, it's essential to consider whether they possess the necessary expertise and impartiality to fulfill these roles effectively. In some cases, professionals like lawyers or financial experts may be better suited to ensure transparency, adherence to legal requirements, and the protection of your interests. By carefully choosing executors and trustees, you can guarantee that your estate and trusts are managed competently and in line with your wishes. This strategic decision not only safeguards your wealth, but also minimizes the potential for conflicts and complications among beneficiaries, promoting a smoother transition of assets and resources. Point 10. Sign a prenup. While it may not be the most romantic notion, signing a prenuptial agreement is a highly practical step in wealth preservation. Relationships can be unpredictable, and should they turn sour, a prenup ensures that your property and investments remain intact during challenging times. It outlines the division of assets in case of divorce or separation, protecting your financial interests and providing clarity in emotionally charged situations. By addressing financial matters up front, a prenuptial agreement can strengthen the foundation of your relationship by fostering open communication about money and expectations. It's a proactive measure that allows both partners to enter a marriage with a clear understanding of how financial matters will be managed, ultimately safeguarding your wealth and peace of mind. Point 11. Prepare a will. While contemplating one's mortality is never pleasant, preparing a will is an essential step in wealth preservation. Death is an inevitable part of life, and having a will in place ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. This legal document provides clear instructions for the distribution of your estate, helping you pass down your wealth on your terms. By carefully outlining your beneficiaries, specifying asset distribution, and appointing an executor, you avoid potential disputes among heirs and simplify the probate process. A will also allows you to provide for loved ones, charitable causes, and ensure the financial well-being of your family, all while preserving the wealth you've worked hard to accumulate. Point 12. Keep tabs on your assets. Preserving wealth requires meticulous organization and management of your financial affairs. One often overlooked aspect is the maintenance of proper documentation and record-keeping. Keeping tabs on your assets involves securing vital documents such as insurance policies, receipts, legal agreements, and financial records. Organizing and safeguarding these documents is your way of maintaining a firm grip on your wealth. It ensures that you can access critical information when needed, whether for tax purposes, legal matters, or simply for your peace of mind. By staying organized and keeping your financial paperwork in order, you minimize the risk of losing track of assets and wealth due to disorganization or oversight. Point 13. Build an emergency fund. Establishing and maintaining an emergency fund is a fundamental component of wealth preservation. This financial safety net is designed to cover unexpected expenses or emergencies, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss, without jeopardizing your net worth. Relying on your investments or selling valuable possessions to address emergencies can erode your wealth over time. By setting aside a portion of your income into this fund regularly, you safeguard your financial stability and reduce the risk of depleting your assets during times of crisis. Point 14. Avoid naming your estate as the life insurance beneficiary. Naming your estate as the beneficiary of your life insurance policy can have significant tax implications. To preserve your wealth and minimize taxes, consider designating an individual beneficiary instead. Doing so allows the death benefit to bypass the probate process, ensuring a quicker and more efficient payout to your chosen beneficiary. This strategy can help your loved ones access the funds they need promptly without unnecessary delays or legal complications. By avoiding hefty estate taxes, you maximize the financial legacy you leave behind, ultimately preserving more of your wealth for your heirs and beneficiaries. Point 15. Be charitable. Surprisingly, giving away wealth can be an effective strategy for wealth preservation. The IRS has a gift tax limit, under which you can give gifts to individuals or charitable causes without incurring taxes. By strategically utilizing this limit, you can reduce the size of your taxable estate while supporting the causes and organizations you care about. Charitable giving not only allows you to leave a positive legacy, but also offers potential tax benefits, making it a win-win proposition. It's a powerful way to reduce your overall tax burden and ensure that your wealth is put to good use, benefiting both you and the broader community. Now, folks, we want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite wealth preservation strategy? And if you've stuck around till the end, here's a bonus tip. Teaching your children financial responsibility is a crucial life lesson that can have a lasting impact on their financial well-being. The story of Cornelius Vanderbilt, a renowned American industrialist and one of the wealthiest individuals in history, serves as a compelling example of how passing down financial knowledge can help wealth endure across generations. Cornelius Vanderbilt's success was not only attributed to his business acumen, but also his ability to instill financial discipline in his family. By imparting valuable financial skills and educating children about money management, budgeting, and wise investments to empower them, it gives them tools to navigate the complex financial landscape successfully. In doing so, you lay the foundation for a financially secure and prosperous future for your family. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you found this video valuable, consider subscribing and joining our fantastic community. And for more great content, check out the next video we've handpicked just for you. See you next time.